What's up, guys? Today's day 1649 of us living the van life lifestyle with family of 3, soon to be 4, traveling through the US, and we're currently in Staten, New York. This is a day in our lives. We're meeting up with my cousin today for a play date with Spencer. We're gonna be grabbing some lunch first over at a pizza spot called Millie's, and then we're gonna head over to an indoor playground. They're gonna be playing together. So. Hello! Hi, Marco! Hi, Amber! Hi, Hazel! Hello, hello, hello.
Spencer.
Hi, Spencer. We
會佢個老師
got some pizza here. Margarita pie, vegetables, mozzarella sticks, and some
我有之前有
meatballs back there.
我有我 friend 又係話煮
Let's eat.
味咧啲。
We just got done with our lunch. We're gonna head over to the indoor playground. I think it's called Just Kidding Playground, something like that. Just across the street from this plaza here. This is the Just Kidding Indoor Playground Universe. Play for a little bit. Hang out with your cousin Amber. Yeah. Play together. Wow, look, it's a nice playground here, isn't it? Whoa. Whoa. Are you excited to play? Yeah? Okay. Wow. 咁 cool 嘅呢度. This is cool, isn't it? Whoa. Whoa. Let's go this way. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Whoa, that's a big slide. Can you go down with me? 1, 2, 3. Go! Whoa! I think you can toss the balls in here, Amber. Oh, Spence, you want to try? You toss it in? Come on, Hoya, Spence. Wow! That's exciting. Come on, come on, come on. Wow. Yeah.
The trampoline.
Oh, a trampoline. Yay. Oh. Yeah. Wow, it's a school bus.
Sells jewelry.
Are you the bus driver, Amber? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Yeah! Construction vehicles! Wow! Okay, let's go inside. Oh, what is that? Whoa! It's like little dice. Whoa! Construction vehicle. Wow! Whoa! Is a front loader, Spence? Whoa! The whole arcade section here. And claw machine too. Wow, let's go this side. Supermarket. Ooh. A supermarket here. I don't think this fish is for eating, Spence. This is a clownfish. Why do they have it in the supermarket? Nemo. Silly. Silly. Oh, this looks pretty real. Apple, yeah, that's an apple. I will. Yeah, look. It's a rib eye here. Rib eye, okay. You want a 雞翼 too? You want chicken wing? Okay, yeah, they pay 錢啊. Amber's the cashier. Okay, let's put it on the. Okay, okay. Let's put everything on the belt. 擺落去呢度。你要嘟佢，嘟。Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Yeah! Amber yan, Joe. Amber was fast. 3, go! Wow! Special 前少少喎，今次。Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Wow! It's a hamster wheel. Oh, you can't get it to work? Okay. You doing construction, Spence? Tools, yeah, tools. You gonna go down? Yeah! Monkey! Nice job, Spence. Okay, let's cross the bridge. Oh, they got you. Let's cross the bridge. Wow! Nice job! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Bounce, bounce, what do you got? Wow, look at that bounce. Nice bouncing. Wow, 呢度咁多嘢嘅。Whoa, look, there's a light box here. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Wow! We got some tokens along with the entry here as well. So let's spend it on the arcade here. There's some knocking games here. Use it on. There's some claw machines we can use it on. There's some rides. Some arcade games here. Oh yeah! 揼傻瓜呢個。哇！呢個快啫。Yeah! Yeah! 揼佢揼佢揼佢。呢個呢個。真嘢。Let's go on this one. Wow! Okay, 我哋夾呢個。Let's get this one. 睇下夾唔夾到呢個。Oh no! Oh no! 可能夾到呢啲平平呢啲。有機會呢個。Yeah! Look, Spence. 哇！你想要邊個啊？你又想要啊 ？Let's get one too. Okay, Amber 你撳啊！哇！有機會，有機會，有機會。好似幾好喎！今日幾熱？Yeah！Yeah！嗰個 Amber 嘅。Yeah！High five！Yeah！Yeah！High five 好嘛？High five！OK， 好啦，我哋再見啦，拜拜。Yeah！OK，拜拜，你走先啦。OK，拜拜。Okay, Jockey. Okay, bye bye, bye bye. All right, we're leaving the playground now. This is a pretty nice playground, really spacious. A lot of cool things to play with, right? Did you have fun here, Spence? Yeah, yeah. There's no one here, which is awesome. So we get to like roam around by ourselves. Yeah, it's not crowded at all, so it's pretty good. All right, we're leaving now. We're gonna head back to my parents' house. Spencer's about to take his nap, right? Are you tired? Yeah. All right, let's go sleep. Take a nap. And it was really fun hanging out with my cousin. Did you have fun with Amber today, Spence? You did, right? You were running around together. That was fun, kind of fun. Yeah?
That was cute.
We'll see them again next time. Maybe, I think later on this week we'll see them again for dinner. Spencer's napping. We just got back to my mom's. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit. Yeah? Yeah, Spencer just took a bath and Mama is cooking some dinner tonight. Gonna be eating at home. Got a nice big fish here. Got some beef tendon with daikon. Oh, top. And let's see what else she's gonna be making. Gonna be cooking some pork chop as well with tomatoes. Look at this fish. I think I made you it. This is the pork chop with tomato, looking really nice. And my mom is cooking some scrambled eggs with, this is spam for luncheon meat. Scout. Yeah, so I got Wow, look at the food for tonight. Wow, there's a lot of food. Six fan đây. Mấy mà mama six fan hả? Look at how much food mama cooked. Wow.
Dạ.
Đó.
Đó.
Cái pa. Pork chop.
Cũng chịu chanh.
Chua right?
Phải bên mày à?
Mama did a good job with the jipa, right?
Giấm sợi có được giấm đi chém á.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to end it a little shorter. And we're going to be hanging out here in New York for just a few more days. And we're going to be flying back to Salt Lake City to meet up with our van. So if you guys want to keep watching our time here in New York, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so they can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.